Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the differences between central bank and commercial banks and understand their roles, functions, objectives, and importance in the banking system and economy. Number 1. A central bank controls monetary policy and maintains financial stability, whereas commercial banks provide banking services to individuals and businesses. Number 2. A central bank is owned by the government, whereas commercial banks are usually owned by private shareholders or investors. Number 3. A central bank is established under a special government act, whereas commercial banks are established under company and banking laws. Number 4. The primary objective of a central bank is economic stability and inflation control, whereas commercial banks mainly focus on earning profit. Number 5. A central bank deals with the government and financial institutions, whereas commercial banks deal directly with customers. Number 6. A central bank operates at the national level for the whole economy, whereas commercial banks operate through branches in different locations. Number 7. A central bank does not accept deposits from the public, whereas commercial banks accept savings, current, and fixed deposits. Number 8. A central bank lends money mainly to the government and commercial banks, whereas commercial banks provide loans to individuals and businesses. Number 9. A central bank has the authority to issue currency and create base money, whereas commercial banks cannot issue currency. Number 10. A central bank determines policy interest rates, whereas commercial banks follow those rates while offering loans and deposits. Number 11. A central bank regulates and supervises all banking institutions, whereas commercial banks operate under those regulations. Number 12. A central bank acts as the lender of last resort during financial crises, whereas commercial banks depend on the central bank for emergency support. Number 13. A central bank maintains foreign exchange reserves and controls money supply, whereas commercial banks mainly focus on financial transactions and credit creation. Number 14. A central bank usually faces lower financial risk because it is backed by the government, whereas commercial banks face credit and liquidity risks. Number 15. A central bank is accountable to the government and the public, whereas commercial banks are accountable to shareholders and customers. Number 16. The central bank ensures stability in the financial system, whereas commercial banks contribute to economic growth by mobilizing savings and providing credit facilities. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.